If you've ever changed your rider's blades before or have seen someone else change their blades, you know how much time and effort is involved. Fast attach blade technology allows you to change your blades faster and easier than ever before. You can simply remove your blade and then install a sharp, new blade in just minutes. What's great about the fast attach blade system is that it's been tested rigorously for safety and security. Thousands of hours of testing have been completed to ensure that the blades meet all safety and compliance standards. And with Fast Attach, the blades feature secure lock technology, which ensure the blades are in their proper position and stay securely in place until the next blade change. With Fast Attach, you can remove and install blades in just 3 easy steps. As with any blade change, it's recommended that you first remove debris and grass buildup from around the deck. To remove the blade, first push the locking collar up. Next, turn the blade counterclockwise to unlock it from the system, and then release the blade. To install new blades, simply align the blade's center hole pattern to the spindle. Next, push the locking collar up. Turn the blade clockwise until it locks. You'll know it's secure when you hear it click into place. There should be virtually no movement of the blade when it's in the lock position. The Cub Cadet Fast Attach blade system also features specially engineered blades, including an extreme mulching blade and a low lift sand blade. If you're looking to do more with your lawn in different seasons, look no further than the Fast Attach specialty blades. With Fast Attach blade technology, you can change your blades more often with less effort for a neater and better looking lawn.